this war is nothing but waiting. Waiting for your chow, waiting for your pay, waiting for a letter from home.
It's a long, long time a man spends a-waiting, waiting around in a war. I think of a girl I've never seen. Her hair is black and her eyes are green. Her name is Helen, or maybe Irene. It's a long, long time away. I think of all the things I haven't done, all of the women I haven't won. It seems like my life ain't really begun. It's a long, long time away.
Think I'm going to spend the rest of my life here? They're crazy.